Hi, I'm Joan Lunden. I am a journalist and author. Now, you may remember me best as the host of Good Morning America for almost 2 decades, but you should also know I am a passionate advocate for seniors. So I'm really thrilled to be an ambassador for MediaWise for Seniors. MediaWise began focusing on teaching teenagers how to sort fact from fiction online back in 2018. And then they expanded the program to college students, and that's now reached nearly 9 million young people. However, this new program, this is designed to teach older generations essential media literacy skills. That means that you will learn how to fact check information that you see online. You'll have hands-on learning opportunities that will allow you to fact check like a journalist and make sure that you're being the best digital citizen that you can possibly be.
And I'm Christiane Amanpour, Chief International Anchor for CNN, and I host CNN International's nightly interview program called Amanpour. It also airs on PBS as Amanpour and Company. And I'm thrilled to be an ambassador for MediaWise for Seniors. Along with essential media literacy skills, this program will delve into how social media platforms work and what misinformation is and why it spreads. And it'll empower you with tools like reverse image searches. So make sure to leave your email below for all the latest news about MediaWise for Seniors.